Hey guys, this is Sharan here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So guys, so many people might face an issue that you cannot able to type at the Windows search box. This problem make the Windows users not to type at the Windows search box. But don't worry guys, in this video we're going to fix that issue and make the Windows search box to type again. Remember one thing guys, this video might be small, but this video gonna be worth it. So guys, before we get starting with our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss my video. Okay guys, now let us make our Windows search box to type. In order to do this, there are two working methods to do. If the first method works for you, that's great, but if it fails, make sure to try the second method because the second method will surely work for you. Without any further ado, let's move on to the first method. In order to do this, hit the Windows plus R button and then type services.msc and hit the enter button. Once you open that, make sure to find an option called Windows Search and then right click on that and go to the properties section. Once you went to the properties, at the down you can see another option called startup type. Make sure to change that option to either automatic or automatic delete start and click on apply. Once you apply this setting, make sure to restart your laptop or computer to apply the changes. Once you restarted your laptop or computer, go and hit the Windows search box and then type anything. If it works for you, that's great, but if it fails, then make sure to try the second method. Now let us move on to the second method. In order to do this, go and open your file explorer and then open your C drive and go to the Windows folder and search for another folder called System32 and then open it. Once you open that, here you need to find another option called cfdmon. Go and drag that and then find that. Once you found that cfdmon, right click on that and click on copy and then close it. Once you copy that, again hit the Windows plus R button and then type shell startup. This code will be given at the description box. Do copy that code and then paste it here. Once you pasted the code here, hit the enter button and then here right click on it and click on paste. What this actually do is, it will make the Windows search service to start at the Windows startup and fix your problem. Once you done this setting, again go and restart your laptop or computer to apply the changes. Now your problem is completely fixed. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay guys, with all due respect, love your parents, respect your country and mainly take care of yourself. Bye.